Hi, welcome to KIMCHITECH English. You can learn English easily. It is vocabulary in real life. Today we are going to learn English using a sad story of a couple who are getting divorced. The story is sad, but the vocabulary is useful. So let's begin.
I've been waiting for you here in the rain for 2 hours.
Why did you invite me here?
We need to talk.
Tell me, I am listening.
Why were you late?
I was busy.
You're always busy and never have time for me.
Actually, I didn't want to see you.
That's why we need to talk openly. This might be our last meeting.
Why last meeting? Won't you come to see our child?
I will go to see my child, but not to see you.
However, we will meet.
Look, I have come to you with flowers and apologized many times, but you haven't forgiven me. What more should I do?
I can't forgive you, Max.
What did I do that you can't forgive me?
You know perfectly well why I can't forgive you.
You are selfish and don't think about our child's future.
Have you thought about it yourself?
I tried to save our family like a man. I came to you several times.
You came only twice, and that was just for show.
Luna, we need to talk like adults.
Listen, Max, you are the father of a child. You can see him anytime.
Do you think that if you marry someone else, he can be a father to my child? Answer me. I'm talking seriously.
You are the cause of this.
Yes, I admit that I was not a perfect husband. I'm not lying. There were times when I hit you, but not all the time.
You hit me many times. I didn't tell anyone about it.
So, there were reasons. I never just hit you.
No matter the reason, you should not hit a woman. Okay, I have a bad temper. Every woman does. But you hit me when I was pregnant. I still remember that.
I didn't hit you at that time. I just jerked you. There is a difference between a jerk and a hit. No man hits his wife without a reason. What caused that fight?
Jealousy. I was jealous when I was pregnant. I screamed and maybe said bad things to you. At that time, you should have been calm and understanding.
You should respect the man first, Luna.
I used to respect you, Max.
Is this your respect? You think of something I didn't do, then you start making me upset and blaming me.
I did that because of jealousy. If you were truly innocent, you would have said, "Everything is okay, honey. Don't worry. I wasn't with anyone else." Instead, you didn't explain and hit me.
You were not quiet either. How could I stand listening to your bad words and be patient?
Does that mean a husband can hit his wife? You don't have the right to do that.
I am your husband. Listen to me.
You're my ex-husband now.
Fate is not easy. There is no ideal family.
I made a decision, Max.
What do you want?
I will divorce you.
Do you think everything will end after that?
Yes, you should sign the divorce papers.
Is there any guarantee that another man won't hit you?
Don't let that concern you. Find a better wife than me for yourself.
In the 2 years we were together, traveling abroad and having sweet moments, did you forget all that?
Yes, there's no point in remembering it. I no longer have feelings.
If our paths are different, my child will stay with me.
I have been raising him since birth. Have you looked after him yet?
A nanny will look after him. I will look after him. I won't leave my child.
I can't do that. You don't spend all your time with him. There's no need for a nanny. I am his mother. He will stay with me until he's 18. Then he can decide for himself.
What will you say to him when he grows up and asks where his dad is?
I will explain it to him. Have you told me when you came to apologize that you would not hit me again? You didn't promise that.
What about yourself? You said you wouldn't change your character. If you had said you would change, things might have been different. Do you remember when I last hit you? I only hit you on the cheek once, because you were drinking alcohol.
Oh, it's good that you remember that day.
You shamed me in front of my friends. You didn't listen to me and got drunk.
Max, it wasn't alcohol.
How can I believe that?
Ask everyone who was there. It was cocktail. Don't you trust me?
No, I don't believe you.
That day you made me sad, so I did it on purpose. You thought it was alcohol, and hit me in front of everyone at the cafe.
I really thought it was alcohol. But why did you do that?
I will not tell you,
Why, Luna?
because you offended me before that.
I can't remember.
Of course you always forget those moments, right?
I'm saying that you should tell me now. If you don't, it means you are lying.
You know perfectly well why we are divorcing. Why are you asking? I have tried to be a good wife for 2 years. I would have endured your blows and even your kicks, if you hadn't cheated on me.
I did not cheat on you.
Do you think I don't know?
It was not like you think.
I can't forgive it, Max. Don't lie.
You are misunderstanding, Luna.
I saw you with another girl. You were both laughing together, and it happened several times.
We will not divorce.
We will divorce. That's final.
I haven't said anything about divorcing yet.
You did it to yourself, Max.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me, you will not want to miss what's next.